Imagine a future where quantum computers snap their digital fingers, and every lock on the internet just shatters. Encryption, gone. Bank accounts, exposed. Your private messages, up for grabs. Sounds wild, but by 2025, this threat is real enough to keep governments, banks, and crypto giants up at night. Welcome to Post-Quantum Cryptography Explained, fast and simple. So, what's the deal with quantum computers? Unlike your laptop, quantum machines use mind-bending physics to solve problems way faster. Today, our data is shielded by mathematical puzzles, like RSA and ECC encryption, that would take normal computers millions of years to crack. But quantum computers, they've got this trick called Shor's algorithm, and, with enough power, they could break those codes in days. That means anything you encrypt today could be hacked open in the future. Scary, right? That's why everyone from national security agencies to crypto startups are racing to upgrade. Enter Post-Quantum Cryptography, or PQC. This is the next-gen armor for our digital world. New algorithms built to outsmart quantum attackers. A few names you'll start seeing everywhere. Crystal's Kyber, Dilithium, Falcon, Sphinx S+. Think of it as swapping out your brittle old bike lock for a futuristic quantum-proof safe. These algorithms are tough, tested, and finalists in a global race led by NIST. That's the US National Institute of Standards and Technology. Now, if you hold crypto or invest in blockchain, listen up. Every coin you own, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Polkadot, is protected by encryption. If quantum computers crack those locks, private keys could leak. That's a nightmare for digital assets. Projects are already planning quantum upgrades, so learning about PQC isn't just nerdy, it's smart investing for 2025 and beyond. Here's how you, yes, even as a total beginner, can start learning post-quantum crypto. Step 1. Explore Python libraries like PIPQC, OQS Python, or PICA Cryptography. They're open source and beginner-friendly. Step 2. Check out NIST's official PQC documentation for hands-on guides. Step 3. Brush up your basic cryptography, then dive into the simple quantum principles. You don't need a PhD, just curiosity and a Python editor. Want to see it in action? Here's how you generate a quantum-safe key with Python OQs. Import OQS with OQS.key encapsulation Kyber 502 as chem. That's it. Real quantum-safe encryption right from your laptop. So here's the takeaway. Quantum computers are coming. Post-quantum cryptography is the new shield. Whether you're a coder, an investor, or just curious about the future, now's the time to learn and get quantum safe. Hit subscribe for more AI, crypto, and coding explained, right here on Digital Jack of All Trades. See you in the future.